I've got my portable projector here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with. We're going to go over the features of this, and then I'm going to give you a demonstration. So of course, we've got our instructions here. We've got a remote control. If you didn't want to use a remote control, you can just use these buttons that are on top of the projector. And then of course, we've got our power supply, which is a Type-C. It does come with a lens cover right here. And since it is portable, it does come with a little handle here. On the back side, this is just a cooling fan or exhaust fan. On this side, we've got our keystone correction and also our focus. And then on the back side, here we have our speaker. So we've got several inputs here. We've got USB, a micro SD card, HDMI, AV input. You can also hook up headphones or an additional speaker. And then this is our charging port here, which is a Type-C. On the bottom side here, we've got non-slip pads, and you can use this to actually adjust the angle. So that way it's going to project up a little bit higher if you need to. Other than that, it's got everything that you need. Right now, I'm not using any of the inputs, but I am using screen mirroring from my phone, and it looks fantastic. The screen you can actually adjust anywhere from 35 inches to 170 inches. It does have Bluetooth 5.2, has Wi-Fi 6. It's good for two different frequencies, 5 gigahertz and also 2.4 gigahertz. Now this does support 4K and 1080p. I love that it is so portable and has so many inputs. It has a speaker too and a carrying handle. Hope you found this review helpful.